Cartel name now stop call for the bad and the good reason. Yo, Laing, I never know say you own December. Me hear say yo December is for Sting. You see it, and we know say yeah, Sting do enough for the culture, but me I wonder what Laing do for dancehall. You see it, for me not say I know me not say Laing build a studio and build something and bust couple youth with Sting. You see it. You have to don't know, you have to have your name and your career before. You can get to even perform past thing. Yeah, we see them get some little young artists more while and then get to perform over thing, but not really going for them that they coming here. And Footer Hype, you don't know say Aishan and Dong Sound and Joe and Scatter and them and all of them people and Footer Hype not good. So Footer Hype come out and talk say yo, Sting and Cartel show. Well, Footer Hype I say still him must say yo. I get rid of Joe them and get rid of Laing show. You see it for Laing and Joe them no good still. But you don't know say Footer Hype and Joe them never good. So you know say Footer Hype now go say everything I choose still. For you don't know say Footer Hype them is a youth. When you hear them come out and talk more while I pay them get paid if you come out and talk and take one side and things. You see it? Yeah man. So we go forward and hear what Footer Hype say, but you don't know the code already. If you new around you remember for like and share and subscribe to the TV for future upload. You see me, man? Yo, Cartel show, if you don't keep 26th of December, if you keep 27, you see it. Can't bother with Sting no more. For more while ago, but Sting, I'll be a buckler, fling all kind of shit. You see?
What's going on with Laing now? What going on with Laing and Cartel and this whole thing here? Laing and Cartel now and wanna say more intimidate Cartel? No intimidation not did it. Remember Cartel right now is the man. So no intimidation not did it. Oh, but people, you can't vex with Laing for say December of his thing. I already come telling you it's the truth. You understand? I think them forget room. Them forget Sting room for keep. And Joe and Laing no good. Scatter them and Laing no good. So I don't want them use Cartel as a pawn for disrespect Laing and Sting and the culture. You understand what I say? So Laing have a right to defend and speak up for him show, which is an integral column in the culture. You understand what I say? So we have to watch and watch his stylings if our stylings are gone. Me not blame Cartel for nothing either. Cartel just come from jail. Cartel need this money. Yeah, him rich already, but money never too much. Zine. And if Joe them, because it's alleged, I'm not sure, I don't know if it's the truth. It's alleged, say, Joe offer Cartel 4 million US. Cartel not got to turn down that. Whether it keep on December 26th, 25th, 29th, the 32nd of December, the 40th of January, it no matter. Fit that money there, Cartel are going to take it and we can't blame him. You understand what I say? It's for Joe them to understand, say, no matter what kind of ego you have, no matter what kind of premium you're laying under, think about the country and think about the effect and the value Sting have on the culture. Don't try mash up Sting. People, it's alleged. I don't know if it's a fact, but I got me here. So the offer is 4 million US and Cartel agreed to it. You understand? But them listen, sometimes ego is the killer of all prosperity, you know. Sometimes you have to Lego look at ego, you know. Not sure. Alright. Cartel show gonna be the biggest. I anticipate it to be the biggest. But what happened after that? Sting has been the biggest for how much decades? How much decades? We have to respect the show, brother. We have to respect what Sting has done and what Sting is still doing. See a Cartel fans that tell us a Cartel show can keep all on his birthday. Or what, the 7th of January? All on his birthday. Too much ego. And Joe, if you really love the culture and love the music, cut the fan. If you love the culture, like what you say, love the culture, don't try. Even Cartel where you work with now, I Sting give him the biggest boost in his career. Biggest. The Mother and Cartel clash are the biggest thing. Ninja Man and Cartel fight are one of the biggest promotional Cartel ever get. It was a negative impact, but it still promoted you. Make the news, the media coverage span them something they're not normal. You understand what I say? No, the date not announced, but they must say December. And I think to do it in December is vindictive. I am just going to be an honest person at all times. And I think it's vindictive. And I think it's Joe them doing that and not Cartel. Cartel birthday is not the 7th of December. Cartel born in January. You understand me I say? I don't think it's Cartel is pushing for it to be in December. I think it's Joe them. And I think them deliberately do that because them are Laing no good. And I don't like that. I do not like it. You understand what I'm saying? Remember the culture. If you really love the culture, don't use ego we have against Laing and try hurt the culture and the chemistry of the culture. If you try to work together to make the culture bigger, not diminish, but to make it bigger. You understand? So there's a thing called compromise and there's a thing called give and take. You understand me I say? Sting bigger than anything else we ever keep in a Jamaica. Sting bigger than Sumfest. Sting legacy is bigger than Sumfest. Let's start the truth. So I don't understand the agenda you have to suffocate Sting. You're mad? You know why it also looks? Because the power we Cartel have the show can keep any day. Any day. It can keep Carnival Day. It can keep any day. Any day this a day they announce it's sold out. So you don't need fear put it in the region as thing for fence out thing it that just look trifling and that just look mine and corrupted and everything. It don't look good. It don't look good. It don't look good. Make it be for the culture. Make it be because we want Jamaica look good. Make it be because Sting is a monumental event. Whether you and Laing have not a business, a music business, people are going to negotiate money. Laing are going to try to give you the less him can give you. You are going to try to get the most you can get. Laing are going to try to give you the less ticket. You are going to try to get the most ticket where you can get. It's common sense. It's common. So I don't want to eat Laing and I want to diminish Sting for that. Uno and Joe have the same problem. Joe try to give less money, which is more than what Laing would have given, but less than what him can pay. And him still want to go less ticket. Everybody are back and forth. Some fest and artists have problem too. Every show you check about our artists have. So only forgive them and now I figure one of the show will do the biggest thing for your career. Me not understand. It don't make no sense. It don't make sense. Think about the culture first. And why Laing are the hungry promoter? Everybody want to crucify him. Same problem happen with everybody. You know why Laing gets so much pressure? Because Laing have the biggest show. Somebody don't want to admit this thing is the biggest show Jamaica ever see. Me not get $1 for this thing, you know. All of me used to play a thing, me not get paid. When me play a thing, I Joe run it. See me? Laing never give me a money yet. Me never get $1 from Laing yet. But me grew up and understand the importance of Sting. So, I don't know money me a talk for, me a beg friend from Laing. Me no business about Laing. Frankly, me no business about Kartel either. Frankly, me no business about Joe either. Me care about the culture. See killer burn out some face right now. So what? You think them not gonna agree back and talk and do back something? So if every artist can forgive every other promoter and work with them, I want this thing. Sting will go no more mileage and more recognition that all of them rest of promoter they will not agree back with. Me understand. You tell me now? How long Sting are going from National Stadium to what people are using National Stadium now for everything? As Sting first used to keep in there now. Sting bridge the gap from generation to generation. On a high level. Jamaica Tourist Board for your help keep Sting, you know. Jamaica Tourist Board for your help make sure Sting keep, you know. Oh shit. Live I got done. People, the man them for fix the thing and make Sting go on and make for them thing go on and make everybody survive in the culture. Me no support mashing up Sting, none at all. Me no agree with that. Joe fix things, Kartel fix things, Scatter fix things. Laing, come off of your ego and fix things too. Everybody fix things. I want to know. The culture we are dealing with. Fix things.